Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you watch me from. Now, so I dey greet una. Nothing where Mohamed no go see on top of mountain top. One papa down go sleep with his own biological daughter. I know they talk of say in own real blood daughter, abomination. To fear kwasi wetin person papa they do to his own daughter. Regardless if this man even get mind, he get moral, go lodge hotel. Hey! Una see wetin person papa they do. Pay money to go lodge hotel to carry this girl to go samankwe her. And we hear say no be today this man don't they do this one. It be like say people for the area don't they notice say how papa go they very attached to his daughter like this. Any small thing don't carry this girl gun body. Like say two of them are made for each other. Not knowing say these people now don't they notice them. Now there they can't go trace these people. Before they go see, they see this man and in picking, they do the duo. My people are beg. They can follow me watch.
You the fuck your pikin. You the fuck your pikin. You the fuck your pikin, Abi. Come at your pikin. Who be this man? Who be this man to you?
Don't lie, you.
Now your daddy.
Who be to you?
Who should be to you?
My daughter.
Now your daughter.
What be the reason?
Waiting you carry a gun to Pasai hotel.
You talk
what was just now. Who disversion you? This man. How many times?
Hey, subhanallah. Something where person no supposed use eye see. Now person don't they see by this time. I beg you, what's now we call this one? Now so I been waiting. How papa? Because I don't even supposed to talk say papa sleep with. I suppose call this one rape. People of the world honor they see. See what a person biological papa they do to your own child. How be say you as a father go they penetrate your own pikin. And you know go they feel anything about it. And I beg, where the mama of this pikin? Where the mama they will be say this papa go they carry this girl every day they go hotel. Anytime when things don't strong, go carry this pikin, you know go reason the mama on. Now pikin now go come carry saying they carry go this place, go they do this thing for her. And the one where they vex is the way this girl they talk. Who is this man to you? Nah, my daddy. Like say she be mumu. Which kind of talk be this one? A grown-up girl like you. You know if you come as I go report your papa say, see what my papa they do to me. You say keep quiet. It be like say you they enjoy him. And some people go they claim say maybe the girl no they clever enough. She know they clever enough. But immediately she see say they carry camera come, she rush where her pint. It means say this girl know everything where they happen. It just be like say maybe she said she they enjoy the whole thing. Now what make her no one come as I call report to the papa. And people will be said that they do all this interview. Una don dey too mumu. In fact, the kind mumu questions when they ask, they vex me. They give me so much vex. Will be say if I come as if I reason as if sometimes they do me like make I go slap all these people. Or I see these two people naked and they ask and say, what your papa carry you can't do? In fact, na crusade and I see them they do. And I go see two people naked, fully naked, and I go ask this mumu question. The one wey come vex me pass now the one with the ask I say, why your papa this virgin and how many times they this virgin person? Now 3 times they do am. Because I never come understand all this kind of mumu question one at the ask. If now go the one I know say I no get better thing to I beg when I just do the video. And keep quiet. Keep all this na mumu question for herself. But me I just they feel very sorry for this girl. Because now this girl face now I don't trade. Now she they go no. Later in the future now she go come outside they cry say my papa do this one to me. In which one you did now you know come outside can't talk this whole thing. And it be like say she said she they enjoy him. Because when I look this girl she don't wear beads. It's like a put on top. How you gonna decorate your own ways for your papa to the chop? In fact then some children nowadays I don't know what they enter their body. But any pikin where you know see your papa they do this kind of thing to I beg speak up. Come outside can't talk now. If you know say your mama no go believe you, go report to police. Because now so many papa go there, they defile their children. Pikin go they fear say papa don't threat. Which kind of mumu threaten be down? No matter what in this papa talk, most of them fuck all they no fit do. They no fit do anything. They go just they talk. So it dey best now. Say if you know say your papa na like this in the treat you, abi your mama they follow you they sleep. It better make you come as and come talk am. And my people abeg go they go. What kind of punishment on a few say they supposed give this man? Because me the reason say make they fry this man kokoro, give am make him chop. Because this one will do you no good. When anything when I feel say make they give him as punishment, make it write them inside the comment section. Make it stay tuned for the next video.